guys, welcome back to her channel. And today
what are we going to be making?
we're making Rice Krispies. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And
Wait, grab the marshmallows and let's do a thumbnail. Here, you want to hold these? Come back. We can do the thumbnail. Okay, so
we're gonna be doing it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below. And turn notifications. Give that bell a ring, ding, 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 ding.
all right.
Ow.
We're going to be watching a video on the computer because...
But don't show them because it's gonna get copyrighted, and we're gonna add that.
But we're going to watch the video on the laptop while we're making it because, let me tell you guys something. We don't know how to make it.
Hey,
Sounds stupid.
do we have butter? Because we're gonna need that. Look,
Okay.
in the back of it is butter.
I know. So, I mean, don't touch that. That's dirty.
I'm gonna clean it. I hit that little girl because I need it.
Okay.
I'm gonna hit her.
So, guys, we have marshmallows.
Recording.
I know, but this is gonna be the second camera. Frosted Rice Krispie cereals, the spray, the vanilla, the butter, and what is this?
Nom nom nom. Spatula.
And a pan.
Centimeter pan if you like, a thinner square, So as you can see, just spray or you can butter it. And then in a large bowl, I've also sprayed this
Wait,
bowl.
it's hard.
Put
Wait,
6
I got it.
cups of Rice Krispies, that's 150.
All over, all over, all over.
I did.
It stinks, right? It stinks, guys. 1 cup thing. We have 1/3, so we have to take 18 scoops of these and put it in here. You wanna do that?
Yeah, sure. I wanna do it.
Hold it. You have to do 18 cups, 18 of those.
Nine. Gonna do the rest?
I don't think we need to do 18. That's a lot. Right here. 10. Alright, that's good.
Okay, so what do we do next, lady?
First one.
And then,
So we're gonna cut
We're gonna cut three
three of
pieces.
1, 2, 3. Cooking the butter. Gonna put the marshmallows down. You got it open? Alright, come on, put it in. Just come on, baby. Pour it in.
It's so hot. It looks like it's melting really
It's melting
fast.
really fast. And it's melting really good. Just how the lady showed in the video.
Yeah.
So we're gonna keep stirring. You need to constantly stir, and then after this all melts, when it's just liquid, we're gonna come back to you guys.
Bye.
So guys, we finished, and it's liquidy now.
So
Wait, we need mommy's phone. So now we're gonna pour it in here. Oh God, put this.
oh, it looks so nice from here.
Hey, move it over so that camera can see it too. No, move it this way, Dry. Move right here, right here, right here. Make sure you get all of it, all of it, all of it, all of
Tip
it.
it over.
Oh, let me help you so it don't get stuck. Come on.
It's fine. Okay.
Give me. Let me see. Okay. me start it for you.
Clean it correctly.
Guys, we're making a lot of mess.
Oh, whole mash. Even a mashed potato. Even
Mashed potatoes.
Even
Even
the,
them.
can I mix it in?
Wait, let me shut it. Hold on. Guys, we finished them, but they have to cool off. Here's it. It doesn't look like squares because we didn't have the smaller pan, but you know, we can still. I patted it down. We're just gonna cut it up. I'm making smoothies right now. What smoothie are we making?
Strawberry, banana, and mango.
We're about to bust this down and watch a movie.
Sorry.
What?
So I'm eating before we even start, I'm eating like these things. They're really good. You guys should try it out. If you don't like it, I'm sorry to say they don't like them. So I'll show you what they look like. Hold on, let me get my favorite one. But okay.
No more cartoon. Do the outro.
But guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We will see you in the next video.